In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Caffeine Keep Screen On and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Click on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you're done, you can close your app and Play Store and go into Tab menu. Finally, hit this pen at the bottom left corner of your menu and look for a Caffeine shortcut over here. Then add it to your current tiles by holding it, dragging it and placing it wherever you want to. When you're finished, let go and click on the top left corner to go back. Finally, you can tap on your new shortcut. As you can see, Caffeine shortcut is on, which means that your sleep time is now set up to never. If you want to disable it, hit on the same, now blue shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!